Canada say, dependent lock you down. Dependent lock you down. In fully active, no captive. Me no play, me born plague. Anytime you this, well, you know me born gay. Here what me say, coulda night or even day. Now you being gay, it lead the way. Fully active, and me no captive. Born everything, we negative. All we come out of your mouth for positive. Talking for me no want to hear it. Telling you the truth, how me do this. Real now you being gay, drum on me object. And me go tell them me no want to shoot this. Bullet it a fly spiritually. Bust off them head mentally. Can't come stop na ya bingi. Bobo Shanti Orthodoxy 12 tribe, you hear me? Real Rasta man. Moving in a uptown, downtown, anywhere me there. Me no play, me born gay. Me no stray. Yeah, hear what me say right away. Positivity. Born negativity. Hail King Selassie, he's the Almighty. Power of the Trinity. Them can't stop we. 3 in a 1, the 1 in a 3. Emmanuel, Marcus Garvey, and King Selassie. Guide and protect we from all negativity, bad mind and envy. No grudge can we. Rastafari, the Almighty, me got to learn say love. Who are the real king? Bless up King Negus. Bless up Islam. Tell them say I one done. One almighty one. Yeah, creation king. To me chant and then to me sing. Healing up the Almighty every day. To me not play. Me just say I pray. For the ones who passed before I and all my ancestors tree. You know see it. How it go? Power of the Trinity. 3 in a 1, 1 in a 3. Spirit live in me. You don't want to hear that? Me don't know what to tell them. It is real. At the deal, one God for us all, one Almighty, but many prophets there. Prophets will never die. Once we for the boat, here comes I. The Almighty will send all one to defend it. No matter what they do, they can't stop it. It's a real revelation. Burning out all pollution. Real Rastaman in the Hamagidian. Hail King Selassie as the Almighty one. Who that? I know the lion. Loving at the house to each and everyone. But do this, my people them. May I turn for you. With a bullet in your shoot. Do this, my people them. I might turn for you. I say loving at the house. How we go burn out the mouse. Treat each other good, love all your spouse. Don't disrespect no one another. Give thanks and praises to Jaja, Alpha and Omega. He is the creator, earth rightful ruler. Loving all the house and you know we must prosper. Yo.